Hello, this is Miguel from mobilemechanic 757 working on a 2005 F150 4.2, changing out the fuel regulator, which is behind the intake manifold. Everybody on the video say you have to take the intake manifold off. That is 100% incorrect. I have gotten this off less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is I have a camera, which you can see right here, and all you have to do is directly right there, behind there. I have a camera, but once you get back behind the intake manifold, the first thing you're going to do is disconnect this hose right here from the intake. Boom. Then you're going to have the hose, let me find the old one, and it's going to sit just like this. You disconnect that, and it is two 8mm bolts. Once you can use a mirror, or you can use the camera like I do, and you can actually fill it beyond that point. You pull it up, and boom. If your vehicle is not holding fuel pressure when you turn the key on and it's stumbling and carrying on, this is one of your causes. Also, before you replace your fuel pump itself, there is a module that goes behind the F150. You come right here, behind the tire. It's hard to see, but there is a module back there. Change that first before you start changing your fuel pump itself. But this one's going to keep the fuel pressure. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. And also, here's the part that I got from Amazon. Less than 20 bucks. Thank you.